Day 25 of Path to Profitability, January 25th, Sunday, 9:30 p.m. Today markets opened. I haven't really looked at them, trying to get ready for the week. Today I did say I was going to link my Webull accounts to a trading view, and it is said and done. I did link it. I looked into it. And to no one's surprise, Webull only has stock trading. So there's no forex trading, no currencies, or index tradings as well, which is the one that we were trying to look into. The S&P 500 and NASDAQ with a little bit of gold as well. But Webull doesn't have any of that. So in looking for a new broker, we're probably gotta take more time, right? Gonna use herofx. It's the one TJR uses. It's kind of complicated to decide which one to use because of all the regulations internationally and taxes and all that stuff. But if it works for him, then it should definitely work for me because we have pretty much a similar goal that aligns, and the tools that we need to use are pretty much the same. So for tomorrow, I will try and set up for tomorrow New York session open and trying to analyze what the manipulations that we've been seeing or learning about. At the same time, I will be setting up a trade, paper trading on my phone. I will be analyzing and sharing that as well, most likely. Just trying to get the gist of the whole thing. I have like the psychology behind it, the confluences that we're identifying and using for the trade. And after that, do like a journaling and trading analysis of how it went and why did it go the way it did. We're gonna play this out as real as possible. So getting ready for the pre-market analysis, looking for confluences, the daily bias, trying to set up and journal the whole process, have it cleared out. That way by 10:30 New York, which should be 7:30 over here, be done with trading. Hopefully we'll find one that we like. Not trying to force a trade, but find one so that it can just execute throughout the day and go in our favor. More, this is about developing the skill. And if we don't find one, then we're just gonna call it a day like that at 7:30, because we are not trying to build a habit of forcing trades. So we're trying to identify the trades and have it run in our favor. So for the broker, pretty much gonna use herofx or try and set it up and have this week of just paper trading without real money, and then probably starting February actually get started with the skill with real stakes. At least the plan would be probably start with $100 and risk 1% of that at a 1 to 3 ratio, and just get in the habit of it and eventually start amping up the process. But that's gonna be the plan.